Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question from complex analysis. This is from GATE 2007 for EC branch. It says we have to find this integral for the radius 2. This is a semicircle with radius 2, right? This is radius 2. Now if we see this function is f of z equal to 1 by s square minus 1. Of course we can write it like 1 by s plus 1 into s minus 1, right? So if you see, the poles are s is equal to 1 and s is equal to minus 1. So where is this s equal to 1 lying? S equal to 1 probably it's going to be here, and minus 1 maybe lies somewhere here, right? In that case we can clearly see that these contour we are talking about, this is the arrow direction is already given. This contour, we don't have this point s equal to minus 1, we have this s equal to 1. That means we have this only one singularity in the region, so we will have to find the residue at only one point, right? We don't have to find the residue at s equal to minus 1. This is out of the domain. We will have to find only for s is equal to 1. So let's see, residue at s equal to 1 will be, now this is first order of course, so this is going to be s equal to 1 is s minus 1 into 1 by s plus 1 s minus 1 s tends to, of course this is first order, so we don't have to differentiate it. We can simply do this s tends to 1 in this case, right? This gets cancelled, and then limit gives the value 1 by 2. So this integral 1 by s square minus 1 dz will be 2 pi I times of f of s equal to 1. So I'm writing is equal to 1. This is 2 pi I into 1 by 2. So this is simply pi I. This will be the answer. So this is option A. Pi I or pi j is all same. So option A is going to be the answer in this case.